Hello and welcome to Tangle and In Sync series. This is me, Aishwarya Darbha. I am Certified Zentangle Teacher. I live in Pune, India, and I have been practicing Zentangle art past 10 years. So these are my bookmarks that I'm creating for a friend, and I thought I'll take a video shoot as I draw. This particular bookmark was very inspirational, very interesting for me because I don't know whether it was the string or the tangle or maybe the mood of the day. But I really enjoyed it. And I have chosen a very simple tangle here. As you see, it's Tangle Huggins by Zentangle Inc. And Tangle Huggins had been the Tangle of the Year for 2025. So coming to this Tangle Huggins, I first drew this tangle in 2017 and I was very intrigued by that tangle, and tanglers those days around were very inspired to play with many weaving tangles. So we had tangles like MI1, Me1, Me2, Me3, and one tangle that is from Thomas Padros, and he's a CCT, and his tangle also has one of the tangle has a weaving thing, and we really loved it, and we were enjoying this tangle at that time. But then as many tangles have come up and recently many tangles have been officially shared from the Zentangle ZHQ. So we have forgotten these tangles and the potentials of it. And I feel this tangle has a lot of potentials because a lot of fragment can be shared and it can be like drawn within these, like a reticula you can use it, and many tangles that you can draw inside and show as though there is an overlap and under, and like fun things going here and there. And if you see Pinterest, if you see Zentangle Mosaic, you'll see a lot of tanglers have tried many different things. Like there is a peep of tangles peeping through this huggins, and like it's weaving, it's transcending. I don't know, so many techniques that you can just apply on this tangle huggins. Today I'm just taking a very simple one, and I really loved it. I just wanted to have some contrast of colors, so I have used a black pen and a brown pen, and this 40 minutes of drawing this beautiful bookmark was very peaceful, very calming. And as I'm going through the video, like when I'm editing it and I'm listening, there's absolutely like so much of sound up and down, some construction work going on. But I was like just scratching on the paper. It was silently going on. I wish I could make it like an ASMR video, but it will become too boring for you. So I don't know. I have never done an ASMR video, but sometimes I really love the sound of the pen and pencil scratching through the paper. Like when I'm seeing Zentangle's Weevil series, they have that very quietness in the video, and I really enjoyed it. I enjoy seeing that, but I can understand many cannot go through that, and that's the reason I try to give a background music, and it keeps up the momentum of the video that is there, and also it keeps us of a mirror and watch ourselves, then we know that we could be so interesting. We could be so weird. So yeah, I often consider myself as that person, and generally a very introvert, but I do enjoy the time of art, time with myself, while cooking, or maybe while watching a TV or playing, or maybe I'm doing some routine household work, and I'll be making some sounds and singing to myself, talking to myself, something like that. Sorry, I'm taking you away from this beautiful drawing piece that I am doing here, just to catch up. I'm so sorry, and I'm very thankful if you guys are still here with me. I can see that I hardly had any minus subscriptions so far, even if I was not putting out videos past 2 years. I think 2024 was the last time that I had put on some videos, but I know that people are still enjoying some series that I have already put it out here, and I hope it's inspirational and you guys enjoy it. So I'll be seeing you again next time in the next video. I hope you have a good time tangling and drawing this piece. Take care. Bye bye.